1-inch male threaded elbows and a bypass. 1-inch by 1-inch flexible supply lines, and the hose purge adapter. First, install a bypass assembly. Lubricate the rubber O-rings on the bypass and inside the valve with plumber's grade silicone or grease. When tightening the nuts, hand tight only. Next, we're going to assemble the 1-inch male threaded adapters. First, place the locking nut on the inside. Next is the C-clamp. This goes on the innermost ring. Next, place the rubber O-ring on the outermost ring. Next, to prepare the system for flushing, take your hose purge adapter and insert it on the outlet. Then, grab one of your male adapters with the attached 1-inch flex line and put it on the inlet. Hand tight only. Now this next step is very important to prepare the system before we plumb it into the house. Now by flushing the system, we're going to help eliminate any of the carbon residue that can be left over from the manufacturing process. So let's go and flush the system. Now you want to do this in an area where water can run freely, like in your driveway or in the yard. You want to turn the bypass valve into service mode here. Then you're going to turn on your garden hose. Run water through it for approximately 30 minutes. You can turn the garden hose on full blast because the purge adapter has a flow restrictor in it that will ensure the proper pressure to fill and flush this tank. The next step in the flushing process is to switch our adapters here, placing the hose purge adapter on the inlet this time, letting water run out for approximately 8 minutes. After that, you're ready to plumb it into the house. Now it's time for us to connect our Freedom filter to the main water service. As you can see, we've already prepared our water lines. We've installed a brand new shutoff valve and a pressure regulator. We are going to connect to 1-inch male threaded adapters. At this point, we're going to leave it into bypass mode, let it soak for 48 hours, and then we're ready to turn it on. Now that our system is soaked for 48 hours, it's time to turn on the Freedom filter. We're going to make sure the water is onto the home and put it into service mode. Then we're going to go inside to our nearest fixture that doesn't have an aerator like a bathtub. Run some cold water for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then you're ready to go.